Every credit card should offer you guys auto pay, and that's the best thing that you guys can do. That was one of my biggest problems, just making sure that I was paying on time. So set up auto pay for all of your credit cards. Even if you guys have like secure credit cards, even that kickoff account offer auto pay. Like literally every account should offer some type of auto pay, even if they have to do like a check. And you can set up bill pay also through your bank if for some reason they don't have some type of auto pay. Bill pay is where you say, hey, make sure you pay them this amount every month on this day, and try to push that like a week and a half ahead of time to make sure that they're getting that money on time. But that every account should have some type of auto pay. And like I said too, you guys, if you, for some reason you're trying to set up that auto pay, like with Wells Fargo, they have it where you guys can do like the bill pay. It was things that I had to make sure I pay, like I had like some garden lighting fees. I knew I had to pay her, like say if I knew I had to pay her $1,500. I just set it up like every month, give her $100 on this day, and they sent the check out for her, and they just took the money out of my account. That's kind of like an auto pay kind of thing. You can do that same thing with your bank accounts too. So go ahead, and that's your bank account with your credit cards and your bank accounts too, though. But you can do that same thing with your credit cards. So figure out what your minimum payment is, and you can just set up an auto pay for that minimum payment. What I like to do is, no matter what, I like to pay my statement balance by my due date. That's like my thing, to make sure I don't have to pay any interest. And once you guys set up your statement balance paid by the due date, if you guys have anything more that you may have to pay to bring down your utilization, then you guys just make sure you pay that before they report to the credit bureaus, which is, I'll say, about 3 days. I always keep my mind that, hey, I got to make sure I have this thing paid in 2 days, maybe 1 day after my due date, just to make sure that they're not reporting this balance to the credit bureaus, because I'm going to drop my credit score. So set up the auto pay through your bank if for some reason that credit card company don't have any type of auto pay.